हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सौम्या है. होप यू हैड ग्रेट दशहरा this year with your friends and family. And I am your tarot card reader and a healer. I'm a stylist also, so you can take tips from me. And today I'm here with another new picker deck reading, which is how will your career will be after Diwali. इस दिवाली में आपका करियर, इस दिवाली के बाद आपका करियर कैसा जाएगा. So I have here as usual 3 decks. First is Classic Tarot, second is Tarot Let to Go, and third is White Rider deck. So you have to choose any 3 of them. First is Classic Tarot, second is Tarot Let to Go, and third is White Rider Tarot deck. So you can pause the video if you want to choose any of your decks, or you can take 3 of them if you want to. So I am starting with my another new reading with how will your career will go on November or after November. I will be using my oracle cards and normal cards as usual. So स्टार्ट करते हैं हम. आपका करियर कैसे जाने वाला है आफ्टर दिवाली. Those who choose this classic tarot, let's start with them. What will happen after November और November regarding your career. चाहे वो YouTube का करियर हो आपका या किसी भी फील्ड में आप हो सकते हैं, क्रिएटिव फील्ड में और गवर्नमेंट फील्ड. It doesn't matter guys, take what resonate with you. Okay, let's see what is there for you. How will be my deck 1? Career will go. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. How will deck 1 career will go? What is there for deck 1 after November or at November? How will be the future, coming future? What is there for deck 1? I feel you are tired of your past career, whatever happened at your past regarding struggles. You are not getting what you want. You are just in the coffin. You are very much tired. So you want to just take rest. For most of you, आप लोग रेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, अपने में ही फोकस अभी और करना चाहते हैं आप, बिकॉज आपका करियर पास में उतना नहीं रहा. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट्स मोर देयर. सो दिस वॉज योर पास्ट एनर्जी. अभी भी कुछ लोगों की ये एनर्जी हो सकती है. डेक 1. व्हाट इज डेक 1? व्हाट इज द करियर गाइडेंस फॉर डेक 1? हाउ विल बी देयर करियर विल गो? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 1? 9 of Cups. You will definitely get abundance after Diwali. At November especially, some will get some offers regarding your job, career, or who are at government field, they will definitely get their victory. Okay, you are a very passionate regarding your job or regarding your career. Most of you are very attached to your job or career. You are like just blind over your job. Let's see more. What is there for your deck 1? आपका करियर कैसा जाएगा? How will be deck 1 career will go? You are thinking a lot. आप लोग इतना ज़्यादा चिंता में है कि आप अभी नहीं मूव करना चाह रहे हैं. How will deck 1 career will go after November or at November? Ace of Swords. Yes, you will definitely get your victory during November or after November. For some of you are in very hurry to get your job, and most of you there will be and a big offer coming towards to you. It could be a job, it could be a business, money offer. For some it could be a government field. कुछ लोगों के लिए गवर्नमेंट फील्ड हो सकती है, कुछ लोगों के लिए क्रिएटिव लाइन में ऑफर आ सकता है, कुछ के लिए मनी बिजनेस में आ सकता है, या मनी आपके घर में चल के भी आ सकता है. एंड देयर इज अ स्टार, यूनिवर्स इज विद यू, एंड डेफिनेटली you will get an action, but you also have to take an action. Your universe is saying you to take an action. Deck 1. Now we'll see what is there with your oracles. See, angels are with you. As I told, angels are with you because 2 cards came of angels, and you are a bright star, guys. Deck 1. And you are so much of intuitive. आपको अपने intuition से काम लेना होएगा. Deck 1. आप अभी बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो, इसलिए आपका मोमेंट भी नहीं हो रहा. आप खुद थक चुके हो इतना मेहनत कर कर के, पर ऑफर आपके पास आएगा, पर आपको भी उसके लिए एक्शन लेना होगा. लेट्स सी फ्रॉम आवर ऑरिकल्स व्हाट इज देयर फ्रॉम आवर ऑरिकल्स फॉर आवर डेक 1. व्हाट इज देयर फॉर डेक 1? करियर गाइडेंस, प्लीज गाइड फॉर डेक 1. स्पिरिट, please guide for deck 1. Indecision. As I told you, are very tired. You are not able to take a moment. And you are just in a resting phase. कुछ लोग अभी हो सकते हैं, कुछ लोग पास्ट में रह चुके ऑलरेडी. आप इंडिसाइसिव हो रहे हो, आप कंफ्यूज भी हो रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा, आपको क्या चुनना है. बट यू विल definitely get your victory, so don't be indecisive. Let's check what is there for you more. And 8 could be prominent for you. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है 8 साल में आए, कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है 8 मंथ्स में ये चीज़ सुधर जाएगी आपका करियर. ओके गाइस, सो डोंट बी इनडिसाइसिव. मेक डिसीजन स्लोली, डोंट बी इन हरी, बिकॉज आप हरी में कुछ भी सोचते हैं, चाहे आप गुस्से में भी सोच रहे हो, आपका काम बिगड़ेगा ही बिगड़ेगा. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक स्लो मूव. Adjusting placements. I guess you people are having little bit adjustment problems. So you people no need to take worry. See, you need to take action. If you can't take action, how will angels will give you full of abundance? If you're thinking full of abundance, how will you get it? So you just need to adjust. Okay, I feel you are guys are not adjusting in anything regarding career, or if I talk even about love life, you are not taking movement, so it won't happen. Angels are with you, they are guiding you, and you are like a star. You are like a star personality. कुछ हो सकता है आप लोग बॉलीवुड स्टार भी हो यहाँ पर, और कुछ हो सकता है आप लोग मॉडल्स हो, एंड मैनी ऑफ यू आर सो मच इन हरी, इनडिसाइसिव, एंड कुछ लोग तो यहाँ पे थक कर ही मोमेंट ही नहीं ले रहे हैं, तो कैसे होंगी आपकी चीज़ें करियर में अच्छी, राइट? सो बट ऑफर विल कम फॉर सम पीपल, सो यू हैव टू think very slowly, take a moment slowly like a turtle. For some of you, I see you are related to turtle or horse. Okay, so take decision very slowly, guys. Don't be in hurry. Okay, deck 1. So hope you liked my reading. Please let me know on comment box. Now we will see what is there for our deck 2. Those who just choose tarot, let to go. What is, are you feeling excited, guys, for deck 2? What is there for deck 2? I am really. So let's see what is there for you guys for deck 2 career. What is career guidance for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirit, please guide me for deck 2. What is there for career guidance after Diwali, or in what will happen in further future? Your cards are in so much in hurry. You are in so much in hurry to get your victory, right? Let me know if it is there. What is career guidance for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. You are holding on your past very badly, guys. You're holding on your coins, you're holding on your money. I am hearing you just don't want to let go of your money, career, or anything. You are just holding it. Don't hold, just go with the flow. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2 regarding career? What will happen after Diwali? The Star. Angels are with you, your spirits are with you. You are like a star to them. Your ancestors are saying you are a star person. Okay, guys. And you could have get some doves around you. What I am having a feeling. For some people, there is in owl in your life. First card is star, so it means you will definitely get an abundance. Angels are with you. Let's see what is more for you. I think I should not take out more energies for you guys. It's not needed, as first card is very positive card. What is there for deck 2 regarding career? What is happening with them after Diwali? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. The Tower moment. I guess you had a bad career. Due to Corona, some of you have lost jobs, some of you are working from home. Most of you are gaining profit. I'll not say like everyone is gaining bad here in deck 2. But most of you are bringing so much of profit over. And most of you are in a Tower moment. Means you are still not getting what you want, but you are in so much in hurry. Okay. For most of them it is that. Let's see what is more there for you, deck 2. Empress, abundance. Okay. Deck 2, I'll not take out your more energies. I think it's not needed. 7 of Cups is the end of the deck. The Emperor, Emperor, Empress. Wow. So many good cards are coming more. 2 of Cups. And then the of the deck is again the Magician. So your wish fulfillment will definitely will come over. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़िद्दी हो रहे हो इस वक्त, कुछ लोग, एंड कुछ लोग हो सकते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा मदरली नेचर है, अपना बहुत केयरिंग से काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो घर को लेकर हो या अपने बाहर को लेकर हो. आप बहुत ज़्यादा, कुछ लोग बहुत जो वुमेन्स है वो बहुत ज़्यादा विश फुलफिलमेंट टाइप्स है यहाँ पर रिगार्डिंग योर करियर. यू वांट एवरीथिंग इन वेरी स्लो वे. कुछ लोग यहाँ पर, एंड कुछ लोग यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा ज़िद में हो अपने. एम्परर, ज़िद्दी टाइप बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकते हो आप लोग. And Empress, you are full of abundance, you're full of growth. Nature is with you, angel earth is with you, and in love I would say you are twin flame, guys, twin soul, high twin soul. As my 2 of Cups came, some offer is coming towards to you, guys. Again, regarding your career, yes, it is full of abundance. You are dreaming a lot, so keep on dreaming, guys. There is more waiting for you. And you could be in a government job. I see here most of you are here in a government field or a medical field, lawyer field. Okay. And some of you are here like a magnetic energy. You can attract anything. Okay, guys, you are a magician. The more you manifest, the more things will come up to you. So you need to manifest. Okay. Manifest your dreams. Say, I am having a lovely career. I am just awesome leader. You can say that. Let's see what is there for you. What is there for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? Caring connection. In regarding career wise, I would say you are caring, very nurture, very abundant. Okay, guys, so definitely you will get your chance. Number 14 could be your birth date, or it is a very prominent number for you also. Take what resonate, guys. वुमेन होल्डिंग अ हार्ट, ओके। आप लोग दिल से बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, दिल से कर रहे हैं अपना काम, एंड you are doing awesome work, guys. Deck 2, your career will growth in a very positive way. Whatever you are thinking, in whichever field you are, if you have chosen any deck, it doesn't mean अगर आप ये deck भी choose करें तो वो आपका ही है. आप ये मत सोचे कि किसका career क्या है, because most of cards are here like that, so it can be regarding you also. Number 44 could be related to you. Okay, you are in a twin flame, guys. Regarding your career also, you will have little bit of tower moment, which is like ups and down, little bit of struggle, but everything slowly will get all right. So this was deck 2. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know on comment box. Now we'll move to our deck 3, our last deck, White Rider's deck. Those who chose this White Rider deck, let's see what is there for you. Deck 3, regarding your career. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 3? 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 Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 3? What is there for deck 3? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 3? Regarding their career. After Diwali, what will happen after Diwali? What is the future? How will be the coming future? Angel Spirit, please guide me for their career for deck 3. Okay. I feel like you have run away from your past, but it came opposite. Now you are holding on to it. Okay, guys, so you don't have to hold on now. You don't have to think also. You just need to focus. You have ran away from your past. You have left your job twice. Deck 3. Okay, so you don't need to. You just need to focus on yourself now. What is there for deck 3? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirit, please guide me for deck 3. What is the career guidance for them? What is career guidance for deck 3 after Diwali? Okay, I got here 2 cards. 5 of Swords. Don't think about what had happened. If you have left it, just leave it, guys. The Death. You have to leave it, guys. See, even your angel spirit are saying कि आपको छोड़नी पड़ेगी ये चीज़. If you won't leave it, it won't happen. अगर आप छोड़ेंगे नहीं तो वो चीज़ कैसे होगी, right? So you have to let go of your past issues regarding your career. अगर आपने जॉब छोड़ी भी है, it's okay. Many people does it, but you have to stay permanently. You will be having a big spiritual awakening over here. There will be a death of your past regarding your career. Angel, please guide me with 2 cards more. What is there for my deck 2 viewers, clients? Angel Spirit, please guide me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 of Pentacles. The way you let go of your past, you will definitely get a big abundance, guys. You are not leaving your past. You are just overthinking. You have to make a death of your past. It means ख़त्म करना है आपको अपने past के बारे में सोचना. अगर आपने जॉब छोड़िए. आप move on कीजिए. आप अपने mind को अलग set कीजिए. And just focus on yourself. Focus on your dream. अगर आपको अपना business start करना है तो आप business start कीजिए. I can say that only. चाहे आप ऑनलाइन कीजिए. सी यू आर जगलिंग अ लॉट. यू आर इन अ कन्फ्यूजन स्टेट. यू आर नॉट लेटिंग इट गो ऑफ योर पास्ट एंड यू आर जस्ट ऑन कन्फ्यूज. अरे मेरे पास में ऐसा हुआ, मेरे पास में वैसा हुआ, तो आगे जाके मेरी फ्यूचर नौकरी कैसी होएगी. अगर आपने किसी के थ्रू भी काम किया तो आपको खुद मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. कुछ लोगों के लिए मैं ये बोलूँगी. और मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है जैसे आप खुश नहीं हो जो भी आपको मिल रहा है इस वक्त. यू आर नॉट हैप्पी. यू आर जस्ट juggling like a joker. So don't have to juggle like a joker. You just have to think and focus. As I said, focus on yourself more. You will be having a great spiritual awakening. बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है आप लोगों के साथ, आप नहीं जानते, और बहुत अच्छा होएगा. See, offer is coming towards to you, but you are not taking it. You have to take an offer, whatever offer is coming towards to you. Okay, especially a job offer. Okay guys, so focus on yourself, take a job offer. Otherwise good things never come. अच्छी चीज़ें नहीं आती है कभी भी. आप पास्ट का सोचते रहेंगे, होल्ड ऑन करेंगे या कंफ्यूज रहेंगे, फिर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलेंगी. आपकी एनर्जी यूनिवर्स भी आपको और कंफ्यूज कर देंगे और आपके पास आएंगी नहीं. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक नॉट योर राइट टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ योर ओन. You will have a good future, but very late, after 2-3 years. If you won't get out of your past, so it won't happen. Or if you will stay in a confused energy, so it will definitely you will not get. And universe, you are confusing even your universe. Now let's see what is there for you from my oracles. Okay, you have blocked your chakra, guys. You need to open your chakra. Your 5th chakra is blocked totally. So Archangel Gabriel, you have to pray Archangel Gabriel and get your guidance. 39 could be related from you, and you guys are running on yin yang energy. I said you are not in a balanced state right now, so nothing is getting balance over you. You are not taking action, it is reverse. So think, you need to take action, guys. Okay, for some of you have already taken action over here. Okay, so take what resonate with you, deck 3, and let me know on comment box section if it resonated with you. Okay guys, hope you all liked my reading. Bye bye and see you soon with my next video. Please do comment, share and like my